this video, I want to show you how to slow down or speed up an animated clip in this particular video, but this can be used for anything. So you'll see I have a clip here. And for me, it's going a little too fast. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a video effect to slow it down. So if you don't see your video effects up here, click on the More button. Go right there, and you want to grab this little clock looking thing, drag it right on top. Now you'll see your properties box has showed up over here on the left. And what we're going to do is scroll down, and on the clip speed set at 1, that means it's the speed that it's recorded at. We want to slow this down, so we're going to, you'll see the speed right now is that. So we want to slow that down. We're going to slow it way down just to show you something. We're going to do 0.20. And you'll see how it's kind of choppy right there. So that's too slow. So I'm going to bump it up to about a 0.5. Much better, much better. And that is how you slow it down. You can obviously speed it up. We can go with 2. And just go really fast. So it can be used for, anything you need to speed up or slow down. That's how you do it. If this video has helped you, how about giving it a like, leave a comment, subscribe, help get this channel out there. Thank you. You have a good day.